Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of motorsports to talk about a name you might not have heard before, but should definitely know, Stefan Rosina. He's a Slovak racing driver who's made his mark in the world of GT racing. Let's get into his journey. Stefan Rosina was born on July 15, 1987, in Slovakia. Like many race car drivers, he started young, showing promise early in his career. His journey into professional racing took off in single-seaters, before he transitioned into sports car racing, where he truly made a name for himself. One of Rosina's biggest career moves was joining the Porsche Super Cup, a highly competitive one-make racing series supporting Formula One events. Racing in a field of top-level drivers, he proved his skills behind the wheel. But he didn't stop there. He also competed in the FIA GT Series, Blank Pane Sprint Series, and ADAC GT Masters, racing some of the world's most iconic GT cars. Throughout his career, Rosina has raced for teams like Ryder Engineering, where he piloted Lamborghini machinery, and he's had some impressive finishes. His ability to adapt to different racing formats, from endurance to sprint races, makes him a versatile competitor. Though he may not be a household name like Hamilton or Verstappen, Rosina represents the rising talent from Slovakia in international motorsports. His dedication and success in GT racing show that passion and skill can take you far, no matter where you're from. And that's a quick look at Stefan Rosina. If you love motorsports content, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on which racer we should cover next. See you in the next video!